Hi, this is Gene. Today I'm going to show you how to reassemble and disassemble a Rock Island Armory Armscor type pistol with a full-length guide rod. So first things first, we're going to check if it's clear. It's clear. Then, what I like to do here, put the slide lock, the safety, thumb safety on. And then what I'm going to do is pull out the spring first. Usually use a bushing wrench or a lighter will do. Let's try the lighter. What I do is push down on the spring reverse plug so that the bushing can turn clockwise. Watch out, the plug will pop out because of the spring tension. There you go, it's out. And then put the safety down and disassemble it. Disassemble the slide lock. So I have it on the disassembly notch. Oop, pushed it out. Should come right out. And then now the slide could easily come out. Alright. Spring comes out. Full length guide rod comes out. And bushing comes out. It all comes out. There you have it. You've got a disassembled slide. Now to reassemble, we will put the barrel back in first. Bushing. Guide rod. And the spring. And then spring goes back in first. Make sure the barrel link lines up. And then put the barrel link back in. The slide lock back in. There you go. So now, lock safety on, spring plug goes back in, you just need something to push plug back in so that it's flush, just so that the bushing can just slide right out, slide right through. There it is.